Hello guys, in this video, I want to show you how to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. To update your phone to the latest iOS version, the first thing you want to do to check at all if there is any latest iOS version, you want to go to settings on your phone. So once you are inside the settings, I want you to scroll down and go to general. So once you go to general, I want you to tap on software update. So once you tap on software update, you are going to see if you can see a new version is out and my phone needs to be updated. So you can see it says update now or update tonight. So guys, this is how you can actually see if you need to update your iPhone. So as for me, I need to update my iPhone to iOS 26.2. I'm currently running on iOS 18.5, I think 18.5. So for me now, there is a new latest iOS device, iOS version outside. So what you just need to do is just tap on update now. Once you tap on update now, it is going to be updated successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually update your iPhone to the latest iOS device. So I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.